Hello young minds, welcome to my YouTube channel Canadian Master. So this video has been designed on 44 phonics sounds. With these sounds you can overcome your dyslexia problems, you can improve your pronunciation and reading skills. Before commencing, we must know the basics of the phonetic chart. We are going to discuss 44 phonics sounds which are represented by 26 letters. We have 20 vowels in all, including 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs, and 24 consonant sounds. At first, we must know what is a phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in a word. For example, k. We listen the sound. Then what is a grapheme? Grapheme is the way we write a phoneme. For example, k can be written in 5 ways. As k for cat, k for quick, k for chick, k for chemistry, and k for kite. So total we have 24 consonant sounds. The first one is b as in ball, d as in dolphin, f as in fish, g as in grass, h as in helmet, j as in jar, k as in key, l as in lamb, m as in map, n as in nose, p as in pause, r as in race, s as in seal, z as in zipper, t as in truck, v as in van, v as in wizard, y as in yam, z as in leather, x. So we must know the letter X. It is a combination of two sounds, like k and s. Kus as in box. In the same way, the word Q is a mix of two sounds like k and w, and same as in queen. Next we have digraph sounds. The digraphs are two letters having one sound. Ch as in lunch, sh as in shadow, th it's a voiced sound as in there, th it's unvoiced as in think, as in young. Next we have vowel sounds including 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. A as in apple, E as in bed, A as in bib, O as in dog, O as in sun, A as in paint, E as in street, E as in field. In A diphthong we have two sounds, the wheel and the magpie, E and I. O as in pour, U as in glue, Oo as in boot, Ow as in blouse, Oi as in coin, Ow as in hog. Next we have R control vowels. Park, as in her, or as in horn, as in bird, as in curl. So thanks for watching. I hope you might have liked the video. If you like that, so do comment, share and subscribe the channel. I'll be sharing more grammar topics in my coming videos, so stay tuned for updates. Thank you.